sound boy, calling in the dance soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.
Where they got?
Them for no agent movements, listen up. And a bad general talking, yo, fire lines. Yo, agent Parker, who them around with? Yo, Gary G, Fire Kirk. Read them up, I'ma kill them. All of some boy, them don't know the levels. They don't know the rules. They don't know the code. They don't know the commandments. Yo. I hear agent sound, I send commandments to the sound them. If we don't want to follow the rules, but I'm dead. But I'm gonna start it like this part. Commandment 1. Sound boy, you know for playing a splicer. If you play a fake, automatically use a dead man.
Hold on now, man. Alright, sound turn on you now, you know, let's us.
Welcome to the fire, go to the community, let's see that you want my voice. Let's see the manager and the community.
Find something, right?
Take it away.
Alright.
Agent movement afraid of the idiot sound. No sound. And we are the jump and sound could never be friends. Agent movement sound and the real killer sound now. Kill him, and you know that sound by time and time again. Agent that go line them up and kill them off 1-1, 3-3. Cause we don't go 2-2. Agent sound locking up the place just like a curfew. And a general that sing and change them on the pass through. From them say why them not fi ask you. You line them up and kill them off. Agent pies to fill them off. Fi wait there what you say. Look the back to like a baby.
when you are going to play a song, play a big song for Tech 9. But Tech 9, me are going to pick for you because I tell so Supreme say, him can kill Mikey D tonight. So,
well, we have bigger than them, the back and names kill them.
that man you talk.
Bury them. Firecrack, Agent Movement, Gary G, and Agent Parker, and the governor Lieutenant City Live and direct. I walk with you from your height. From your height up. Why?
I'm a friend, but you can't manage it.
You might think you chat too much.
9.
Hush your mouth, right? Try not say nothing. Movements, no keyboard, no mic, can't touch a button. Double your lips when me chop you up like curry mutton. Stand up in front of you, let me show you something. Some. Hush your mouth, right? Try not say nothing. Take with no keyboard, no mic, can't press the button. And double your lips when me chop you up like curry mutton. Stand up in front of you, let me show you something. We a killer, we can't done. Don't play like a bullet from a gun to your ears jump. And you will kill the line, we can't stop and you can't run. Some turn to some marine, like you come on, you back down. Try to disrespect us, so don't get out like so don't you run down. Play it like a kitchen and like you run, you want drop down. Don't stick to your bum, you jab a homo, you so dumb. Don't you with the word like y'all see you. Hush your mouth, boy, try not say nothing. Agent no keyboard, no boy, can't press the button. Double let it to me, chop you up like curry mutton. Stand up in
We just have to play a song.
for your son.
I don't buy a song. Craig. Let's go, so you know. You said me you want to juggle some songs. So, me don't address Tech 9 now. Let me address you when it come out of on top. So you have big sound in there and come play some lame song. Is that
DJ Craig. I never see you on a flyers family in Miami. I never see you on a flyers book with no sound. I have to play more, you're a big DJ. You have to get some bookings first, man. Express, you see Express and flyers all over the place. I mean, I don't know why with the Agent Movement. I want Agent Movement come mash up my party August 26. Tech 9, you're an Agent Movement, and not there on my flyers.
Big up Mikey D. Hold on. How much sound there tonight? Hold on. How much sound there tonight? Eh? Alright. They have to talk to you all out right now.
So we don't give a fuck what's your name. Jump and sound boy. But we don't let them say they come play. Oh, that is just a part of life's game. Jump and sound boy. Agent sound, I gon' give them black rain. So you can't ever test agent sound. We'll kill you. We'll gun you down. Someone you can't ever test agent sound. We'll kill you someone.
What the fuck, Tech 9 there? You see you, boy?
We're in the sun Spain. Sounds that burn the side. So the books you want them lurking. Wanna take over the AIDS and prize. Can't stop it and sounds that come in. Sounds get very alive. We have a big intro take with the oversized clip. So don't forget kill tonight. Sound boys, them must stay. So they know we tell. These shots are all we. I fling out the streets. Agent sound that compromise. Some sound don't say. So they know we tell. These shots are all we. I fling out the streets. Fling out the streets.
Tech 9 I play some fake cartel. I'm gonna play one of the same song when you play and I don't call. Hey boy, shut up when you play me not talk. Shut your mouth. The bum bucket. You play some fake cartel. See artists you will take
Agent Movements, and we know say that kind of bad man DJ. We no afraid of nobody. Hear me I say the Agent Park, and them we know say now we like every blood clot man on you. Yeah, I say the Gary G, kill them for free, kick them like a ball because them stand time. We no afraid of nobody. Don't think of. Yo. Let's talk about Agent. Let's talk about Agent. Let's talk about the bodies. Hear me I say the man. Yo, Parker, what? From the blood clot, one just be gone. Agent Fox, no one get a pussy not the one. Them a pussy not the blood clot one. We don't give it to that cat. Them boy get a pussy not the one. Them out a go up to borrow the bar. From the fucking man start. And son boy get that in your pot. You know when so the six get in on the part. I put them up with that. Them and them probably get a blood bad. No matter the bumper rats. Them a be like so who can't hear them a go feed. Here we keep like this now I know this thing. We just get him up.
Shut him out of the fighting. Shut him out of the fighting, say Jackson. You figure say no boy can't box me and get where you double me take where bet you want bet so we cuff you anywhere you're there. Areas from the agent movement, everything lock in. I keep one presented, watch you know. Gary J, you know the agent Parker. Watch you the father channel, they no be that boss. What a sitting, we never left it. Want to some clown. A real bad man no snitch. Madden a request body we give it no each. Hey, who no like we argument? Slide up and bitch. I make you down a clip in your head plus your bitch. Bumbo, bad man say when your mama yeah. Hey, you could have for me and girl yeah. Tryna put a foot in a yard yeah. But ring your mama yeah. When you think we and them a retarded, we say them a 68 cali. Agents a ring your mama yeah. Hey, you could have for me and girl yeah. Tryna put a foot in a yard yeah. But ring your mama yeah. When you think we and them a retarded, we say them a 68 cali. Rise up the handmaker, some of the just call the undertaker. The knife in a big hand, so don't make we try the main breaker. You just them a proper ducky maker. They give me gas and give me fire. He burn down to friend faker. We go jump to the baby for the shaker.
Okay, I flash you some play about that song. You know what it's song now.
Broken-hearted sound boy, toiling in the dank and soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.